Hello students, welcome to the topic of fitting of male and female threaded components according to BSW. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to fit the 7x8 each BSW left hand external and internal threaded components and fit the 1 each BSW right hand external and internal threaded components.
Materials and equipment. Threaded components. Hand tools. Spanners, wrenches. Adjustable spanners. Thread lubricant oil. Torque wrench. Process. Clean external internal 1-inch British Standard Whitworth threaded job and check thread profile. Check and select 1-inch British Standard Whitworth RH external and internal component. Fit the right hand internal component, rotate clockwise direction to external component. Clean the external and internal 7x8-inch British Standard Whitworth threaded job. Check and select 7x8-inch British Standard Whitworth left-hand external and internal component. Check thread profile. Fit the LH internal component, rotate anticlockwise direction to external component.
In this video, we learn about how to fit the 7x8 each BSW left hand external and internal threaded components and how to fit 1 each BSW right hand external and internal threaded components. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.